On this video I'm going to take CET English. The spoken skill in language teaching classroom can be developed enable activity with focusing on conversation skill leading to communicative competence. Number 2, IEC stand for Indian Education Commission. Number third, how will a teacher best teach writing skill to the class? By brainstorming idea and asking students to write in their own word. Number 4, Mary, a young teacher, believe in personalized learning because she thinks that every learner is unique and need to be given a chance to develop the best of their ability. Here, number 5, in divergent classroom, the learner find it difficult to speak and write good English and often lapses into their mother tongue because they lack enough competence and the structure of two languages that are different. D. Number 6, a child studying in a class third say I drank the water. It indicates that the child has overgeneralized the rule for making past tense verb, showing that learning is taking place. Here, Lena uses a big reading books in her language classes. So, answer is A. Use these illustrate colorful book for reading together. Grammar should be taught by enabling practice in context. Number 9, children who are differently able joined a new school. Teacher give different reaction, which one reflect the concept of inclusion. Good. It will provide a good opportunity for the children to learn, to help each other, and to be supportive. 10th, right of children to free and compulsory education 2009 stipulated learning should be through activity in child friendly manner. 11, communicative language teaching is concerned with enhancing receptive and productive skill such as speaking, listening, reading and writing. SLRW. Now 12, when students learn a language for bright employment opportunity, their motivate is D. S. Asterisk. Strings motivations. Now lexical cohesive device are word phrases used for connecting idea. When a teacher uses realia to teach vocabulary and grammar, sees teaching through true story. To create a sustained interest in learning, she involves the student in the activity. During dramatizations, when a teacher uses empathy as one of the descriptions for assessing the learner, she is assessing their ability to get into the skin of the character. Poetry recitations help the learner to learn proper you know, intonations and stress. 28. Which one of these could be a valid learning objective for teaching drama? The learner will be able to speak fluently with the correct stress and intonations. Uh, 29. When a language concept are taught using a real situation, they are easily understood and used. 30. For story mapping of narrative text, the learner can be used to draw a picture and every sequence. 31. Acquisition of vocabulary is learning words in totality and eating the power to use them effectively. So I hope you all understand. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.